तेलंगाना न्यूज़ टुडे में आपका खैर मकदम है। आइए देखते हैं आज की ये अहम खबर।
check the voters, and even Mr. Gurunath, he tells me that I can't ask police. He says that you cannot be asking police, or that is not police duty to remove the veil and check with the ID card. He says a female police is not meant to remove the mask and check with the ID. And he is telling me that this is not allowed. Only the BLO should do that. If they do, they do it. That is not their responsibility. 90% of the booths have got compromised. This is what is happening. Police do not want to instruct female constables to check the face and with the voter ID.
Sir, just now, collected police registered a case against you. How do you see?
I am not worried because I have stood up for justice. When I am requesting the police officer, he says it is not his responsibility. He is saying that I requested at least please inform the female constable. He says it is not my responsibility. I will not inform lady constable. His name is Gurunath. And what is the polling booth?
अब दीजिए इजहारुल हक को इजाज़त। मिलते हैं अगले खबर के साथ। तब तक के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर करना ना भूलें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।